We will put in place a new savings fund to be called the Future Ireland Fund, using some of the windfall corporate tax receipts. And to be clear, this is not a rainy day fund, because it is for costs that we know are coming our way in the years ahead. This fund will benefit all of us, the children of today, people of working age today, our pensioners, and yes, also future generations. It will help us to meet the costs of running the state in the future, and it will make a contribution to the cost of healthcare, of pensions, home care, and much more. For example, we know we are facing considerable costs in relation to an ageing population. Age-related spending will be around €7 to €8 billion higher by the end of this decade than it was at the start of this decade. This is simply the standstill cost and does not involve any new measures or any new policy initiatives. The twin transitions of digital and climate, while more difficult to quantify, will also involve significant costs. It is imperative that we act now. I am announcing that we will invest 0.8% of GDP annually into the Future Ireland Fund from 2024 to 2035. This will be a sum of approximately €4.3 billion in 2024.